Hello my wonderful viewers, I want to welcome you back to this channel. This job is one of the jobs we've delivered for one of our clients. What you are about to see is a job completed. We've just completed this work for one of our clients. We started with the piping, we continued with the wiring, and we finished with the installation of the electrical fittings. Talking about the ceiling lighting point, the socket outlet, the water heater, the cooker unit, and everything I'm going to show you in this video. So if you have a work, an electrical work that you are looking for electricians, or you want electricians to do a job like this for you, well, you can contact us. I promise you will not be disappointed. Today, we want to test this work, the electrical work that is done in this building. Actually, we started with the piping work, after which we continued with the wiring, and we are also done with the installation of the electrical fittings. So I'm going to take you around the building as we test it so that you see what we've got, and I'll be on all the lighting points. I will on the lights, I will on the sockets. As I test them, you will see yourself. So if you have a similar job, contact us. We are going to give you the best. So follow me as we move around the building. Camera. So these are the lights that we have here. In this room, we have 3 lighting points. For the wardrobe, it can be controlled here. Then these 2. Look at the switch for these 2. Here is for the bathroom. This light is meant to show 3 colors. Then for the walkway, you can actually control it here. This for this. For this one, you can control the lights here. And for this particular light at the DB, it can be controlled here. So here is the sitting room. Here is the sitting room. You see how beautiful the lights are. So that is it. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.